Alright, ladies and gentlemen, what up, and welcome to a little head cam footage. We are just cruising at 66 miles per hour, heading 80 eastbound, no, excuse me, westbound, we are westbound, heading over to, I don't know if you can see the GPS there, Des Moines, just north of Des Moines, delivering in a little town called Ankeny, but getting a beautiful little Iowa sunset right there. Oh, now it's gone. That was a tease. That's what you call a tease, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, we're just strutting here, heading west over to Des Moines, and got ourselves a little afternoon coffee. We fueled up. We stopped and fueled up at the TA in Brooklyn, Iowa, and we saw a badass Model A, 1976 Model A, 4-axle heavy haul setup, and it was running for IMT, and I don't know if IMT is short or abbreviated for anyone's name, but I spoke with the driver and then I videoed the truck. But here's the shitty thing, I'm pretty sure I videoed it in time lapse, so you're not going to hear anything I say, so that's unfortunate. I will slow it down and then I will voice over and try and repeat whatever I said when I was filming, but the truck was just spotless and beautiful, and he was outside. He had the hood popped on when I walked over to him, and he had the hood popped and was replacing some of the lights, but just a beautiful setup. So it might be in the thumbnail, you might catch it on the thumbnail. That is the Model A I'm about to show you, but other than that, yes sir, yes ma'am, we are rolling westbound, go do our delivery tomorrow morning, kick these products off. They are water heaters. Hang on, let me take a sip of this coffee and set it down, because I don't know if you can hear that little rattle, but I sure can. It's in my little shifter. Oh yeah, I shortened the shifter down. It used to be way up here. I had the 18-inch extension on it, shortened it back down, and I am gonna go even shorter. Like right now, see where my knee is? Okay, I'm gonna have the shifter like way down, about half the height it is right now. We gotta just pull the plate off the floor, unconnect the linkage down below, cut a chunk of it out, weld it back together, slap it through there. I will be doing that in the future. Don't copy me until you see it. Once it's shortened down and then you're like, damn, that's badass, Ryan, I want to copy you, then you can copy me. Let me just do it first though. But yeah, I want a little like 8-inch short throw shifter down there. It'll be fun. It'll be kind of goofy. But anyway guys, so because then from there I can add extensions back up. But anyway guys, I am a big fan of Model A's. I'm a big fan of 359s. I would love to own a 359 or a Model A with either a cat or an old Signature 600 Cummins in it. Everyone says, you know, oh, nothing, if it ain't a cat, it's a dog, you know, but I mean, that's at least what all the cat owners say. And then you slap an aftermarket turbo on a Series 60, and that cat just gets its ass whooped up and down those mountains by a Series 60 with a aftermarket turbo, like an HX60 or something. Borg Warner, you could slap something that really pushes some air through it and tune a Series 60 into one hell of an engine. But anyway guys, now I'm getting off topic. Just wanted to come at you, show you a little head cam footage here, and look at our doors getting blown off by this green Freightliner. But we're not in any big rush. We got 50 miles to go. Hopefully we can park at the delivery. We will see when I pull up whether I'm able to park there or not. I did not call ahead. Had a few other things on my mind today and that I was dealing with, and phone calls and stuff. It was a busy day on the phone. But yeah, after this one, be running down to some chemicals. some chemicals down to Tacoma, Oklahoma. If I'm butchering that one, just like I butchered the Louisiana name, hey, my bad. Shit, it is what it is. But, alright folks, well here's the golden hour. Hope you enjoyed it. It is beautiful. Not that building, but that American flag. And hope everyone had a great Memorial Day weekend and a great Memorial Day. But yeah, the sun is down beyond the trees now. But just remember, when you are out celebrating, you know, and getting that long weekend, as some would say, yeah, I follow politics and shit like that. We'll have another discussion on politics, but I'm a blue-collar guy. I think you can tell which way I lean. Anyway, no, just remember what we were remembering on our Memorial Day. So I think I did mention it in another video. I don't know if I sounded like an absolute goof and ended up deleting it, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you to those who serve, past and present, and we are in remembrance of those who did not get to make it home. That being said, I hope everyone had a great and safe Memorial Day and got to spend it with those that they love, especially if their loved ones are veterans or active military members. So thank you folks, those active, past or present military members. Thank you for your service. And yes, that's a dangerous spot to be, dude. He just, oh, okay, they've got some cones out there. I don't know if you guys saw that guy, but he was just like standing out there boondocking. But no, he's got, oh shit, look at that heavy setup. Look at the road, Ryan. Damn, 4-axle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that was a 13-axle setup, that big K-dub back there. But anyway, guys, all right. I think I've said what I need to say. Now I'm just rambling. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my coffee. Hopefully bump a dock at my delivery tonight. Peace! Alright, so this is IMT. It's a 1976. I was just talking with a gentleman. He's replacing one of those up top on the watermelons, replacing one of his lights that burnt out. But Signature 600 Cummins engine. He said he wanted that because it's got the good jakes. But I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Like I mentioned when I was rolling by on the Facebook for IMT, I saw that they did a whole frame off with this thing. Pretty much had it built for them from the ground up, and it is one hell of a unit though. It's gorgeous. Nice little huge headache rack, nice little camera back there, simple back here. I mean, he's pulling this RGN, so obviously you can see what he's loaded. All axles down, definitely close to 200 gross. Yeah, that's one of those freaking narrow trailers. Yeah, that's badass. Cat 772G 4-axle trailer. Yeah, that thing's pushing some weight. Hope I don't get him in trouble with the boss. He's missing a lug nut cover. Of course, something this sharp, you got to point out the obvious. You know what I mean. But yeah, 1976 Model A. I mean, this thing's fucking tits. I mean, look at that fan shroud. You know, aluminum and clean. But yeah, I was just talking with the driver. He went in to grab a bulb, get it on this side with the sun out of it. I do love these Model A steps, real big. He's got them cleaned up instead of the like diamond plate. But yeah, IMT out of Iowa here, they definitely run some beautiful equipment. This is no exception. I would not mind sitting in the driver's seat of that thing every day. But yeah, real cool gentleman. Like talking with him and hearing all about this. I won't tell you all the specs of it, but it's one hell of a beast, I'll tell you that. So don't try and pull up to him, outrun it just because it's you know, 45 years old, 1976 here. More shot of the rears here. So looking at that, that is a 60-inch Canadian spread. and he told me that he had a bigger sleeper plan for it, but had to decrease the sleeper size because he wanted to run the 60-inch spread, which gives you, it's the Canadian spread versus like what's our traditional 53 or 54 inch, because it gives you 70,000 pounds on 3 axles in some of the states. But yeah, this thing is badass, definitely done up right. All right, looks like he got his light replaced, so we got it with the hood down. Hopefully that's out of the sunlight. Glass is class though. He's got glass on all of his over the cab lights. I almost said overhead, but then I was like overhead cab lights. Anyway, yeah, just something about a damn A model. Oh, I see he's got some Bostrom seats in there, looking good. This thing is sick. I would drive it any day of the week.